If you've got an old style Ford like this that has the old 460. It doesn't have to be the 460, but this is specifically what we're talking about today. As you see over here, if you're having an intermittent no start, right there is your ignition module. That's usually your culprit right there. So if you're having an intermittent no start problem with your Ford and it has that on the fender, or there's also this part, the PIP. It's an ignition system part as well. Typically it's best to do them together. This is kind of a pain to get to. You got to take the whole distributor out. You got to take the whole cap rotor assembly shaft, all of it off, take the gear off of it, just to get to this part. So it's actually usually easier to just put a new distributor in it and then do that box over there. That'll typically take care of your no start issue.